Alright, today we are, the students, the task which is in the project overview, displays the task that the students will finish and complete at the end. However, the task 1 to task 7, pretty much the summary is the group task. Students will get into groups 3 to 4 and discover the Cartesian coordinate system through a website called Demos. They will learn group work and develop opportunities to learn and interact with mathematical concepts. Students are to explore and make discoveries with the games, and they to learn how to plot graphs, which is also shown in all these lesson plans. And then it's discussed pretty much in the project overview that the learning outcomes that are discussed are understanding, fluency, problem solving, and the reasoning. And they'll use these to understand how two intersecting number lines are taken and intersecting at right angles at their origins to form the axes of the coordinate systems, which they will actually be learning. They will be creating solutions by investigating, defining, and implementing the Cartesian plane in a visual way, which will be shown on the website Desmos. The task addresses the characteristics of meaningful learning and the maker's movement through active teamwork. It covers intentional learning as the students are asked to write what they have learned on the whiteboard once they have read and understood the concept. On Demos, the digital technology that will be discussed, questions are the students use constructive learning to share, reflect, collaborate, and visualize during their teamwork. Cooperative learning is in the task as the class gets split into small groups of 3 to 4 and create new concepts to help learn each other, and they teach each other new things. They also discuss authentic learning, which allows the students to explore, discuss, share, and meaningfully construct concepts and relationships in contexts that involve collaborative learning and integrated subject learning. Using Demos, the students identify the whole numbers which are used to represent data in a digital system. The students use Demos to understand graphic material they have access to. The students also use Canva, which is displayed down the bottom here, to create their poster with bright colours, usually, which I haven't really done here. So Demos will assist the students in learning as well as identify possible sources to design a solution for an assigned digital task, which is displayed on the screen here. The students will develop alternative resolutions by designing, modifying, and develop both diagonally and in written text. They are managing, creating, and communicating information in collaborative projects using cooperative learning protocols.